Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a central government ration card. First, understand its significance. A ration card is vital for accessing subsidized food items through the public distribution system. It helps ensure food security for eligible families and also acts as a primary identity document. Securing this card is a straightforward process, providing essential benefits to your household. To begin, verify your eligibility. Typically, you must not already possess a ration card and meet specific income thresholds set by the government. Gather all necessary documents, including identity proof like your Aadhaar card or voter identification. You will also need address proof, such as an electricity bill or a rent agreement. Remember to include your income certificate and recent family photographs. Having these ready simplifies the entire application process significantly. The application process begins by obtaining the official form, which is available at your local food supply office or for download online. Fill out every section meticulously, double-checking all personal and family details for accuracy. Once completed, securely attach self-attested copies of all the required documents. Finally, submit your complete application package to the designated food supply department or the authorized center for processing. After submission, it is important to track your application's progress. Many states offer an online portal where you can check the status using your unique reference number. You can also visit your local food supply office with the acknowledgement slip for an update. Once approved, you will typically receive a notification via text message or a postal letter. Then, you can collect your new ration card from the designated distribution center or food supply office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.